Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add music boat to your Discord server. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is to have a Discord on your PC. If you don't have that, just go straight and download it, set up it, sign in to create an account. Of course, if you already have an account, just log in into your account and then open your browser, whatever browser you're using. Click at a new tab, and all you need to do, just type Fred boat. So as you can see, after typing that, you'll need to click at the first link here, and as you can see here, play high quality music in your Discord server for free. So as you can see, we have an option here called invite to server. So if you click on that, okay, let me just wait until it loads. As you can see here, they will ask you to sign in at with Discord at your browser again. Of course, if you don't have your account, all you need to do, just go and click at register and you will be good to start. But for me, I'll just log in and I'm coming back. So as you can see here, after entering your Discord, the informations, all you need to do, as you can see here, an external application want to access your Discord account. So of course, sign as your name here. If it's not you, just click on that and change something. Maybe something will be wrong. So this will allow the developer of FreeBot to create command in the server. It's the check mark micro brew some local kombucha, which is X. That means he will not do that, he will just do this. So as you can see, add to server, this required to you have manage server permission in the server. So let's just here choose the server. Of course, here you can choose whatever server you have permission on. For me, I have here 3 servers. Just choose the server for you that you want to authorize him to use the commands in. So let me just choose this, or maybe let's just choose this server and hit the button continue. So as you can see here, confirm that you want to grant Fred both the following permission kingdom. So read messages, send and thread, embed link, connect and speak. Of course, you can remove whatever you want, check and check whatever you want here. Then all you need to do is just go and hit the authorize button. So as you can see here, you can of course log into your Discord and start using the Fred bot directly. So if I go here to my Discord and go to the Discord that I used this on, as you can see, if wait as you can see, if I go here to the search box and click and type Fred bot, I will find it here. So just go and click on that, and maybe here they will show you if they send a message or not, but you can just go, and as you can see, it's already added to your server. And let me just show you the commands to use this bot. So all you need to do, I just go to the browser again and type the same name of the bot, Fredbot command, and then tap at the first or click at the first link. So as you can see here, if I want to play a music, all I need to do, just do /play. If I want to display the current play music, just type this new play in. If you want to skip the one or more tracks in the beginning of the queue, click or do this skip first. Of course, if I want to skip a specific track or maybe song, just go and click at or type the skip or of the and the number of the music. And of course, I have several other options. Here you can read and choose whatever you want. Of course, that's the command. You can see here the quick start, the configuration of the boats, the permission, other commands, of course, that if you maybe. So sorry, as I said here, you will have the other command, the non-music command. So he can maybe configuration, we have utility, we have fun, information, and of course we have the term of service and that. You can read that if you want. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.